Hello all, this is Akshit from Team Hotbot Capgemini, and we have created a software that can test a person is either SARS-CoV-2 positive or negative. Currently we are using, or rather the scientists are using, the PCR test, which is commonly known as polymerase chain reaction test. In this test, the scientists take millions to billions of DNA samples and then amplify it to make it usable and for studying it further. So it is a bit time consuming, and for those areas where the SARS CoV-2 testing kits are not available, for that remote areas, so we have created a model using the inputs from the user as well as some inputs like chest x-ray images and the ultrasound of that person or individual, so that we can come to a conclusion. So what we have done, we have created our model and segmented it into three parts. One is the machine learning model, and there are two consecutive deep learning models. In the first machine learning model, we are taking inputs from the user. The inputs are such as it is mentioned here, like fever, body pain, age of the individual, running nose, and difficulties in breathing. So actually this model gives a result in form of a probability score. If the probability score of a person or an individual is greater than 0.5, it means that it is more likely to be infected by SARS-CoV-2. So depending upon the output of the machine learning model, we will just in order to confirm and to get more accuracy, we will take the X-ray of that individual, and we will come to a conclusion by using the X-ray images and segmenting them, because we have there are lots of X-ray images that are being published by WHO as well as different organizations, so that we can use them, and the output of that model will be like 0 and 1. 0 for a person is having not infected, and 1 for person is infected. And after getting the result, suppose a person test for a chest x-ray images, which is being used widely in Hong Kong also. There were a retrospective study was done by Hong Kong, and they come to a conclusion that if a person is being infected, then chest x-ray can play a major role, because they are the sensitive and specific method for diagnosis of SARS virus. So we have got accuracy of around 89.3%. So, but in order to make our model more accurate and more specific towards detection of the SARS-CoV-2, we have used another feature, that is ultrasound of a individual. So it has been used widely as of now in the past. So we have used all these features, and then after we come to a conclusion that whether a person is being infected or not infected by SARS-CoV-2. You can find all the codes and description below in the GitHub repository. Thank you. Thanks all. Thank you.